channel. Today I am going to show you how to create an AI powered logo in Canva step by step. So AI is everywhere these days and Canva has fully embraced it with built-in tools to make designing easier than ever. So let's dive right in. First of all, we have to head over to canva.com where you can see this address canva.com. You have to go there and then you have to tap onto this create logo at the top left corner, and if you are on phone like Android or on your iPhone, you can simply go to Google Play Store and search for Canva, and then you can install it and then log in. As you can see, I am already logged into my Canva account, but if you don't already have a Canva account, you have to go ahead and sign up. It's completely free. All the features I will be using in this video are available in free version, so no need to upgrade. So first of all, you have to click create a design on the top left corner here, tap onto this. Here you can please tap onto this. And then you have to select logo from the drop down menu. Simply just search for logo. But before we jump in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. As you can see, here's many type of logo. Like choose the logo you want to use, like animated logo for Twitch or YouTube channel logo. There's tons of logo types, 3D logo, abstract logo. Just scroll down and you can find it. Also, you can just search for the logo you want. For example, Twitter logo or something like that. Then you can just create your logo. Now, for now, I'm gonna tap onto this one, logo 5 into 500 pixels. Let's tap onto it. So after clicking on, as you can see, this gives you a 500 into 500 pixels canvas, which is perfect starting point. Before jumping into AI tools, take a look at Canva's template gallery on the left. Here you can see a lot of templates right here. You don't have to use them as is, but browsing can give you great ideas for layouts, colors and fonts. Just scroll down all the way and you will find it. Now let's bring in the AI magic. At the left corner, click on App at the left panel. Search for the App option. As you can see, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 8th option apps here at the left corner, tap onto this. This is Canva's built-in AI image generator. For example, you can type at the search bar, you can type for magic media, or you can type here a cute cartoon cupcake with a smiling face from here. You can tap onto photos. Okay, let's do it again. From app, go to app, and you can scroll down and find many types of editor. Let's open it, and then you can use them. Okay, like let's type make me cute bird. Then you have to tap generate. By the way, this is not the optimal one for generating image. I am just showing you randomly. Now I will show you how to do it actually after the computation of this. This is just create slide. As you can see, this just created a slide here. So let's cancel it. Okay. Now go to app, and on the left panel and search for magic media here. Magic media. And then you have to search for magic media, which is Canva's built-in AI image generator. Or also you can search here, you can see this one AI image generator. Now let's type in some perfect prompt. Let's use ChatGPT for this. Let's go to ChatGPT and let's ask him to generate us a perfect prompt for generating a hybrid. Okay, generate me a perfect prompt for generating images using AI for hybrid. Wait, there's some spelling mistake. Hybrid human. So let's tap enter and just copy the prompt. Let's copy the prompt. Okay. Let's copy the prompt and then paste it to Canva. Let's see how it turns out. Now tap on the generate images. Let's wait with them until the image generated. So now let's talk about Canva, like what is Canva and what can we do with Canva. Okay. So basically we can use it for graphic design, poster flags, banners and etc. As you can see, it has generated me ultra realistic images. So let's add some subtitles on it. So add subtitles, text, hint, and okay. Now let's generate again. You can generate it as many times as you want. You can also go to graphics and then videos. You can just generate videos easily. So as we are talking about that, you can use it for graphic designing, also marketing materials and documents and code. You can also tell it to generate me a cute logo of parrot for my YouTube channel. Then let's tap on to generate again. Let's see how it comes out. Okay. And we can use Canva for documents and reports, videos and animations, web content and many more. Like you can use it for collaboration and brand identity. So let's edit this. Let's edit this first. And this is a cute image, so I just don't want to feel like to delete it. Let's try it, making it larger. And on this page, I'm gonna add a parrot image. Okay. So let's add this image, as you can see. And now you can customize it like here from here. You can customize it according to your wish, but for me that is enough. So now let's say you want to add some text on it. You can do it. You can simply add text on it by adding a text box, and then you can generate text, and then you can edit the text from here like this. You just have to use your creativity in order to make a perfect logo. For me, I'm just gonna use some gradient here. Okay, white is gonna make my perfect. Let's paste here, and let's see. Let's say we want to change the color of it. Let's go and change it. Let's add gradient color on it. So go there, just follow the steps as I am doing here, and then you can just change the color. As you can see, the background color is being changed. Let's customize it a little bit. Okay, let's try it white. Okay. Let's gradient it to white color. This not looks nice. So this is how you can make a perfect logo using AI on Canva. So that was it. Now you can go to share and then tap download. Then you can download the file easily. So this is how you can create AI logo in Canva using AI. Okay. So that's it. And if the video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.